Our trip into Princess Louisa Inlet started by us picking up my best friend Jillian in Pender Harbor so she could come into the inlet with us. It was really, really special to have her along.
All the way in! All the way in!
Is it cold?
This is just so awesome. And that spinnaker was a good deal. Well done, Charity. Well, can't get much closer to paradise than this here on Earth, I tell you. Waterfalls everywhere you look, the sound of rushing water, mountains galore, lying in a hammock in the sunshine. Look at this, we even have a waterfall to listen to over here. Maybe you've never done Malibu Rapids before. Maybe this is your first time. Hopefully this video will help. I'm in a power boat, but we did it in our sailboat first time last year. That was fun. Obviously we're going the other way in the sailboat with the flow, but if you got some power with you, just give her. That's all you got to do. Hang on for dear life, because she's shifty underneath. Boiling everywhere, boiling, boiling, boiling. Not at full power yet, but if your boat can do anywhere from 10 knots. Oh, whirlpool! Oh, cool! Oh, cool whirlpool! Oh, we're getting sucked back here. Okay, keep on going. Give her a little snooze. Yeah, now we're in the main channel here. This is where it's going the fastest, but probably the smoothest too, actually, compared to the stuff we looked before. This is just sheer power. Wind her right up. Get her done. Get her done, buddy. Get her done. Give her snooze, Captain. That's all she's got. She's a boiling, isn't she? And that, my friends, is how we transit Malibu Rapids. With a little bit of fun on the Super Go Dingling, because that was awesome. No luck fishing today, but that's okay. Had some fun, some quiet time, got some cool drone shots. Trying to put together a little video and show you what I got.
So at the entrance to Princess Louisa Inlet, you find Camp Malibu, which is part of Young Life USA. It's a really beautiful organization that holds Bible camps for teens in America. So they literally cart teens all the way up to the middle of nowhere from all over the United States. And it's a really special location and a really special facility. Bart and I had the opportunity of touring it last year, and usually you can tour the facility. They actually have people that volunteer all summer just to show people around. But obviously this year they weren't hosting the tours, but next year, hopefully. So if you go up, make sure to check it out.
We're gonna try surfing behind the dingling.
It's
pretty fast, but it's not ultra fast. So we're gonna try it out.
I can't wait.
It might not work. It probably won't work, but whatever. When I say, but not yet. You're gonna.
Oh, and he's in the water. It's looking good. Say hi, Bart. Bart's focused right now, everybody.
Peace. Gunner.
Nice job. That's a good try.
activities at Princess Louisa Inlet is the awesome hike. There's a picture here that says caution, BC Parks recommends you not go on this hike, and of course that means we do go on the hike. And we go because it's so fun. It's a bit creative and the trail is decently kept up, but there are some parts you have to be a bit creative with it. It takes about 2 hours and then you get to this beautiful waterfall at the top. The forest at Princess Louisa, as you can imagine, is just absolutely stunning. Really deep greens, beautiful lush rainforest. We don't see tons of wildlife. We do bring bear spray, obviously, and a bear banger if we have it, but yeah, it's otherwise really a really nice hike. It's a great way to experience the area. And as I said, at the top is an absolutely stunning waterfall, which is always refreshing because usually the trek up gets you pretty warm. After we did the hike, Bart, Jillian, and I, we found a different waterfall. The day before, Jillian and I had been out in the dinghy and we happened upon this beautiful waterfall in the middle of the trees. It was kind of a miracle we even found it in the first place. But after our hike, we took Bart there and we all cleaned up and had a bit of a forest shower. It was a great way to finish a nice hike in the wilderness.
What are you doing, Charity?
Cleaning your cut.
Stupid oysters.
Oyster.
Charity,
Yeah.
you're an amazing nurse. Thanks. Thanks for saving my life. Little polysporin, band-aid should do.
I'm really sorry.